In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Battlefield 6 RedSec crashing. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing what we want to do is go ahead and update your graphic card drivers. So if you're using NVIDIA AMD, to the latest stable version. So to do this, we want to go ahead and right click your start menu icon here and then click onto device manager. So find device manager here. Then from here we need to, just let me move this across, click onto display adapters, and then as you can see I've got NVIDIA, so depending what graphics card driver you got, just go ahead and right click it and then click onto properties and then click onto driver and then go ahead and click onto update driver. And then just go through the process of updating the drivers. Go ahead and click next, and make sure your driver is up to date. So that is the first fix. Okay, the next fix isn't quite really a fix. It is just to see if your PC meets the minimum system requirements. So I'm on their official site here of Battlefield RedSec system requirements. So now this is for your recommended PC system requirements. So operating system Windows 11 onwards, your processor Intel, your memory, and now this is your minimum PC system requirement. So make sure you tick all the boxes there and you can actually run the game on your PC. Now the next fix to do is open up your Steam client, and then from here we need to get into games or your library and right click Battlefield 6. So click onto the library tab and then right click onto your game, and then we need to click onto properties. I'm just doing it for risk global domination just for demonstration. And then click onto installed files. Then to the right hand side, verify the game's files are installed correctly. So click onto verify integrity of game files. So basically what it does, the launcher scans your local game installation folder and compares it against the official files on the game servers. So it's basically asking, is all of my Battlefield 6 files still correct, complete and uncorrupted? So verifying or repairing your game files is a good idea because it automatically checks for and replaces any missing or corrupted files, ensuring your game pretty much runs smoothly and preventing crashes caused by damaged data, etc. Now the last fix here is to remove any overclock on your GPU, CPU. So under vaulting overclocking temporary to test your stability. I was going through Reddit forums and threads saying that basically community reports show crashes often correlate with OC UV. So yeah, go ahead and just remove any overclock GPU, CPUs to see if that's going to fix your issue.